Dennis here, aka Mr. LeafShine, with another Chrysal episode. Today I get to talk about LeafShine, one of my favorites. And today we're focused on potted plants. Too often I go into a retail situation, a store, a big box, or whatever it is, and I see beautiful plants, but I'll see water calcium, spray residue, dingy leaves, just not enhanced. But there's a lot of effort gone into the packaging and how it's displayed. This one's not so beautiful, but in general, upgraded packaging, but yet the foliage isn't enhanced. So I recommend using Chrysal LeafShine. It's easy to apply. It's a concentrate. You can use it all the way from a high gloss, or you can adjust it down to just a cleaner. And that's just a matter of increasing or lowering your dosage. So we just do a quick. In the case of the LeafShine, you're going to go on kind of wet, but when it dries, you're going to get the same shine as an aerosol. It'll just spread out, it has spreaders on there that'll push out over the leaf, give you a nice even shine, no wiping required, spray residue, calcium will go away. And if you put it on heavy, it can also use as a seal effect. As you notice, it's called LeafShine and Seal. And the seal slows down the transpiration. So that plant, if it goes into an environment where it's not being watered properly, it starts to dry out. That is going to slow down that dry out process. And it can buy you another day, 2 days, 3 days, depending on the plant and how it performs. But it's fantastic in those settings where it's going from the perfect environment to the drought where it's not going to be cared for. Folks, growers, use Chrysal LeafShine today. Oh, one more thing. No phytotoxicity. You can use it on anything. We found 0 issues with blooms. I always say test it if you know a variety has a problem, but from today on, we found nothing, no phyto. So go out and buy your Chrysal Shine today.